got Dad driving, going down Blue Rag. Let's go.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How will I to break apart? Don't tell me why I can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. Until the break of dawn.
Oh, so good. This beautiful casserole. Cooked in the cave oven. See our dinner. What do you reckon, Dad? Good feed? Oh, that's nice. Some juices. He's loving it. Here's my feed over here, steaming away next to the tawny port.
You better watch out if your enemies are overhead. A full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets caused real big, gets off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, handling the score. Never getting bored, lots of blood and gore. Always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel it for their body. And if you start shit, you'll be hard lived in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you let scars rip. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. It'll kill when I'm desperate.
Pump up the bass line.
Wait!
Why? Because I can't afford it.
Go have your drone. Maybe your drone, you could train your drone to flog food off people's fucking weights. Put like a silencer on the things, you know, to dampen
Like a monkey.
Dampen on the thing so that they're sitting there and there's food on the table, all the picnic areas, and all of a sudden, fucking sausage. I thought we had 3 sausages here. And you're just sitting
Like
there,
a kookaburra.
yeah, like a kookaburra.
Nice.
You could just have like a pair of tong things on it.
Tongs on the drone.
Fucking down you get. Sitting there eating prawns and fucking all this.
Hey everyone, here we are at the Crooked River. Just camped up there where that flashing is. This is Talbotville. Very nice. I had a swim here yesterday. Gets nice and deep over here. Gorgeous little spot. We are now just waking up in Talbotville. Going to cook up some omelettes on the fire and head off. Good to go. Not sure. Oh yeah, we scraped the side. Keep going. Here we are at Billy Goat Bluff. Got the car. There's that truck up there. See where this came from. Down there. So yeah, we are about to head all the way up there. Should be some good fun.